Today, I'm going to show you how to install and set up Discord on Arch Linux. Before we get started, if you want to browse the web or use Discord more securely on Arch Linux, I've included a NordVPN link in the description that gives you access to a special discounted offer. NordVPN is one of the best VPNs on the market, with excellent Linux support, fast speeds, and strong privacy protection, making it a great choice for Arch Linux users. Now let's move on to installing Discord. Open the terminal, type the command sudo pacman sdiscord and press enter. Now enter your password if prompted and confirm the installation when asked. Once that is done, Discord is installed on your system. You can launch Discord either from your application menu or directly from the terminal by typing Discord. Log in or create an account, and Discord is ready to use on your Arch Linux system. And just a quick reminder before you go. If you want to improve your online privacy and security while using Discord or browsing the web on Arch Linux, NordVPN is a great option. If you want to try NordVPN at a discounted price, I've included a link in the description that takes you directly to this limited time offer. It also comes with a 30-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in trying it out. And if you're watching this on your TV, you can scan the QR code on screen with your phone's camera to check out NordVPN.